In this sale, I got myself an interesting IM. I have been walking around a handful of Kiwi Ears IM, and this is an interesting IM. Kiwi Ears Forteza. If we look into the specification, you guys will see this has two dynamic drivers, two 10 mm dynamic drivers. It's not like it is 8 mm or 10 mm or 210 is fairly big, and one BA driver. So this is a fairly interesting setup. Fairly interesting. I have seen two DD1 planar, but two DD1 BA is interesting to me. I'm not exactly sure if you guys have experience with this kind of setup, but this is very interesting to me, and I'm looking forward to be impressed by this IM. I did puncture the packaging here, I think, and let's open it up. Let's open this IM up and we will see. Priced at $60 or around 5,500 rupees. This one is going to be a good looking IM if not anything else. So yep, the earpieces came out first. So yeah, you guys can see this is a very good, beautiful looking semi-custom kind of IM, semi-custom kind of IM, and priced very reasonably at just $60. You guys can see dual board design. You guys can see the design here, and I will uh, share the initial impression within this video. Let's have a look at the set of accessories we are getting here. No, not surprising at all, but we get the exactly same case we get with the quintet and A4. So yeah, it has the exactly same set of accessories kind of. This cable is exactly same what the uh, quartet came with. So yeah, it is okay. This cable is not horrible, but it does not look good or great or anything like that. And it has three set of tips. The premium K4 doesn't have three set of tips, but this one has three three set of tips, and none of these are wide bore. This is kind of useless at this point of time because all of these are narrow bore. It just aesthetics, nothing else. So yeah, doesn't matter. I will use this clear tips and we will see. So this is the unboxing. Initial impression follows. I have been working around a handful of Kiwi Ears IMs. This is not a review in it, keep no doubts about that. I bought it, I'm doing a review on my own. But what I can tell you guys is that Kiwi Ears is getting really good with bass. Okay, now this one is a hybrid IM, and with hybrid IMs we expect good clarity, slightly V-shaped sound signature, and very good bass. And that is what this hybrid IM is delivering. It has dual dynamic drivers. You guys can see the dual dynamic drivers here, and one BA driver. It's a very good looking IM in my opinion. I do not really like those translucent shells, and I like this transparent shells. They look very good and very intriguing to me somehow, and this semi custom kind of design is very comfortable inside the ear. I had no issues, none whatsoever. And if I talk about the accessory sets, this is what we get with nearly every IM we buy from Kiwi Ears, and the cable is just average, nothing special about it. I will definitely like to see Kiwi Ear do something about these cables, but it's okay, it's working, and their IMs are sounding very good, so they are not really bother about changing anything at all. And this Forteza Forteza, priced at $60, is a very good example of what hybrid IEMs were made for. Now, what was happening with most of the hybrid IEMs was that they were good with the bass, but there was some anomalies in the bass that was kind of up-putting and kind of felt like, yeah, no, this is not exactly great. That started to change in the $300 price range, and that development has trickled down from 200 to 100 to now around $50 IEMs are able to deliver very good and very capable bass. Okay, low end of this IEM is very capable. It is not like it is mindless, it is woolly or anything like that. And it has very good sub bass extension. It is delivering very good rumble, and the mid bass is nicely controlled. It is not feeling like it is woolly or very loose or something like that. So that is a very good thing about this IEM. Yes, it is not very voluminous or very punchy or anything like that, but it has very good dynamics and very good clarity. It has layered delivery too, and it feels wholesome. I like the way this dynamic driver moves the air too, and vocals too have good amount of air in them. It is not like they are dry or they are lifeless or something like that. I'm inclined towards the belief that this dynamic drivers are responsible for a part of the mid range too, because there is air. And a single dynamic driver, you guys can see this tiny, sorry, not dynamic driver, this tiny BA driver should not be able to deliver air and very good treble extension. So I'm inclined to believe that this twin dynamic driver, twin because they are 10 dynamic drivers, are doing something in the mid range too. So yeah, mid-range 2 is very good. Yes, it's a V-shaped IM, keep no doubts about that. I have heard a lot of V-shaped IMs, but this one is a very good IM, and I will recommend it over the KZ iterations. And this one has slightly more finishing energy, finishing definition. Tonality and timbre are decent. There are no issues like KZ IMs that are a bit on the metallic side. There are no issues with this one. So yeah, tonality and timbre are slightly better than what we get at this price range. And treble is very good, very well extended, very good air, very good height with the notes. And I am liking the way it is presenting the stage too. It is well expanded. It does not feel like lopsided or anything like that. So that is a very good thing Kiwi Ears has done with the Forteza. This is the initial impression, but in this sale, if you are getting this IM around $50, go for it. It's a very good IM for just $50. So this is it. This is my initial impression and unboxing of Kiwi Ears Forteza. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.